In this video, we're going to be learning how to use different string methods in JavaScript. This is going to be important for your project. And the first thing you should do is open up this document, which can be found in your Google Classroom. And this is all the different string methods that you can use. A whole list of them. This is all of them. And they all do fun, interesting things. And it's your job in this project to figure out what they do and how to use them in the way that I specified in the lab. Yes. All right, so let's take a look at how to use some of these. All right, maybe some of these will help, maybe they won't, but I just want to kind of show you how these are used. So right now, I have a very simple website that looks like this. It just says Open Console. So I'm going to go to my script.js and let me just say, make a variable called words. Let me store some words in it that says like, I love to code. Simple. And then if I were to console log this, let's see what pops up on the screen. So console log words, and this pops up. Now, these words in the quotes, that's a string. It's just like words, right? Anything in quotes is considered a string. And we can manipulate these words using the different string methods. So for example, let's say I wanted to change these all to uppercase. I could say, let yelled words equal words dot. And then if you look here, there's this thing called to uppercase, which converts a string to uppercase letters. And you can even click on it and I'll show you how to use it. It'll say like if you have a string that has hello world in it, all you have to do is say dot to uppercase to use it. You can even copy and paste this. I'll do it. So we say words dot to uppercase, and then let's just console log yelled words and let's see what happens. You'll see that it's now uppercase, right? So what this method did, the string method, is it converted the string to uppercase. Now there's so many more fun ones you can use here. Let's say you wanted to use, I don't know, repeat. That looks like a fun one. Returns a new string with a specified number of copies of an existing string. Or, yeah, let's just try this one. So if we went to repeat, we could check out how to use this one. We go to script and we'll say let repeated words equal words dot. Let's see how it's used. It says dot repeat, and then it has a number inside of it. So this one's telling you how to use it. Now, think about this. What do you think that 2 means? Well, let's test it out. So we'll console.log repeated words. And if we go back to our thing, you'll see that it printed out twice. Maybe that 2 means how many times it gets printed. So we can experiment. Let's try 4 times. You'll see that it's now I love to code, I love to code, I love to code. And I don't even think you could see the 4th one, but it is there. So this is how many times you want something to be repeated. So if you want to repeat words, you could do it that way. Let's try one more. We could find another one. Let's see. We'll go back to our list. Maybe we'll just try this one, dot length. So this, let's try this out. If I did let length words equal words dot length. Actually, no, I don't want to use that one. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, let's try this one, concat. So this one says it joins 2 or more strings. I'll show you how to use this one. So you'll see this one does string1 dot concat string2. So basically, if you were to do this, it would, concat means to link things together. So that would join them together. So for example, if I wanted to do like joined words, I could say words dot concat, and then you can concat, like what do you want to add to it? Maybe I want to add a smiley face. So now, if we console.log joined words, you'll see that it says I love to code, and it concatenated, it added this smiley face. You can even say I love to code and your mom. And if you'll see here, it joined I love to code and your mom. So these are all fun different little string methods that you can use. You could test out different ones for this project, but there's a lot of great ones to use. And yeah, have fun with these. Peace. Now, Leah!